Welcome back to Crucial Minds. In this video, you'll learn how to talk about daily activities in English using simple and easy sentences. Improve your vocabulary, speaking, and grammar step by step. Let's get started. I take off my glasses. I take off my glasses. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. She gets out of the car. She gets out of the car. I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. I wake up early. I wake up early. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. He looks for his keys. He looks for his keys. They go out at night. They go out at night. She comes back home early. She comes back home early. We clean up the room. We clean up the room. She puts on her jacket. She puts on her jacket. I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses. He takes off his jacket. He takes off his jacket. I look over the wall. I look over the wall. I take the bus. I take the bus. She gets off the bus carefully. She gets off the bus carefully. She dries her hair. She dries her hair. He sweeps the floor. He sweeps the floor. She stirs the soup. She stirs the soup. I wipe the table. I wipe the table. She takes out the milk. She takes out the milk. She scrubs the sink. She scrubs the sink. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. She stretches her arms. She stretches her arms. She mops the floor. She mops the floor. I chop the vegetables. I chop the vegetables. She turns on the water. She turns on the water. She rinses her mouth. She rinses her mouth. She turns off the water. She turns off the water. He switches on the TV. He switches on the TV. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I fix the blanket. I fix the blanket. He rinses the dishes. He rinses the dishes. She wipes the mirror. She wipes the mirror. I dust the shelf. I dust the shelf. I empty the trash bin. I empty the trash bin. I iron my shirt. I iron my shirt. I zip my jacket. I zip my jacket. I grate the cheese. I grate the cheese. I mince the meat. I mince the meat. I crush the garlic. I crush the garlic. I whisk the eggs. I whisk the eggs. I squeeze a lemon. I squeeze a lemon. She kneads the dough. She kneads the dough. She ties my shoelaces. She ties my shoelaces. I fill my water bottle. I fill my water bottle. I grab my towel. I grab my towel. He goes to bed. He goes to bed. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more.